Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Scorpios. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, Scorpios, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So these are for your general energies, guys. This is for your relationship and this for your career situation, Scorpios. So let's start with these cards for your general energies. We have 7 of Suns, 9 of Spheres in reverse, and 4 of Spheres. So in your circumstances, guys, Scorpios, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, maybe you are facing a lot of obstacles. You are making a lot of efforts, trying really hard, doing your best, and you are trying to make most of this opportunity that has come your way. So you are using your skills and talents to that maximum, putting in a lot of efforts. But though you are working hard, guys, success is success is coming. You see success, maybe the beginning of success, but it is not unfolding just like the way you expected. So bit by bit you are seeing some changes in your circumstances, but your efforts will never go for waste, guys. Scorpios, whatever you are doing, all that hard work will surely pay off, but you just need to wait for your efforts to come, the results to come. And maybe today you will see people appreciating your skills and talents and feeling really happy for you, feeling really happy for the way you are. Maybe you have helped others, or maybe you were the reason for someone's success. Maybe you have guided someone and they are truly happy for you and they are appreciating your help, or you are appreciating their help. So it may be vice versa, guys. Someone is helping you or you are helping someone. And Scorpios, you are someone kind and generous. So when you feel the need that you want to help someone, you go out of the way and help them out. So that may be true even in this relationship, guys. Scorpios, you are helping this person you love. You are a very kind and compassionate soul. That may be the reason we see that you are helping someone who is close to you. This may be the person you are with, or this may be someone in your work or in your personal life, maybe a friend. But I also see that you must be careful, guys. You must be careful in the sense you must know whom to help. Maybe there are people who do not deserve your help and kindness. So you must be help those people who are truly deserving, who are truly in some bad circumstance. Maybe someone may just act like they are suffering or they are in some kind of difficulty, but they are trying to use you in some ways, guys. It may even be this person you are in relationship with, so they may have a different face. You need to be really careful, guys. So they may not be showing their true face to you for some of you. So they are trying to use you. So you need to be careful if that is the case. So for your relationship, we picked one card, guys, and it is 10 of Spheres. So with this card, maybe in this relationship, whatever you think, this is the answer, guys, for what energy we were speaking about. Maybe you don't trust your person, Scorpios, and you are thinking that they will swindle you or they will cheat you in some ways. They are trying to use you maybe for some reason, but you need to understand that you are going to find that balance. Maybe this person, the reasons for their action or the truth behind their behavior or whatever it is, you will find the truth and you are going to find that balance today. What you need, a balanced mind, clarity. So you will understand the truth behind their actions today. So that is what I see with this card, guys, for your relationship. So for your career circumstance, we have 10 of moons. So with this card, guys, maybe in your work situation, all that efforts and hard work you have done till now is going to pay off, guys, and you're going to be really happy, build that moving towards that dream future for yourself. So that is what I see, guys, with this card, and you're going to feel immensely happy, and you should not be overwhelmed with that happiness and act in a very egoistic way, celebrating your success because of your talents. Maybe it may be because of your talents, but still there are people who have helped you all along the way. So you should never forget them, Scorpios, if you want the success to last forever. So that is the energy with these cards, Scorpios. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, please watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Scorpios. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this first card, it says breathe. So with this card in your circumstances today, guys, this is not the time for you to make any decisions. Maybe you are rushing into something, you want to make some choice and move forward, make that next step or decide something for yourself, but this may not be the right time for that. This is the time for you to just wait, and in this relationship or in your career situation, whatever it is, release that anxiety you are feeling, stress you are having today, and take a deep breath. Let nature take its own course. See where things are going today, guys, for you all. So in this relationship, you need to give time for that heart to open. Maybe you have faced a lot in your life, you have seen a lot of circumstances. This is the time for you to just enjoy the moment, and your heart will know what your intellect is often resisting, guys. So what you truly feel in your heart of heart, you need to follow that today, and patience will always pay off in more meaningful ways, guys, today. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. So this is the time for you to just have that trust in your heart for that brighter, happier future, and have that patience, and maybe meditate if you are interested in meditation, if you are someone interested in that practice, you can go for it, guys. That is going to help you a lot today. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, it says obsession. So in your circumstances today, guys, you have some unhealthy attachment, maybe to something, maybe to a person, to a circumstance or a habit, and it is simply slaving you. It is making you really anxious over certain things, and it is really making your life difficult day by day. So you need to take steps to free yourself from this compulsion you have, and you need to take back the power. So this obsession is holding on to you. It's just making you do things, and it is it may be something which you love to do in the beginning, but right now it is something like an addiction, and it is taking your time and energy, and it is really difficult on you, stressing you a lot. So you need to cut yourself free. This could be painful or difficult, guys, trying to free yourself from this habit or from this compulsion you have. But you need to free yourself to enjoy life in a more in a wholesome way today, and it will be a whole lot wiser on your part to do that, guys. And maybe you can ask people to help you, and you can also help people. Maybe there is someone in your life with some compulsive behavior. It may be your friend or a family member. So it is your duty to help this person, help them come out of this compulsion, and you need to try and give up this unhealthy attachment you have, maybe towards some, it may even be some habits we have, guys, or some kind of a silly compulsion, something we follow, do again and again in a ritualistic way, something we can just avoid. We will get back the time and energy we are wasting in those habits or in this compulsive behavior. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, guys, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.